For large format panel processing, cutting the material is only one part of the job. The real challenge is keeping material moving efficiently through the entire production process. That's where the AXYZ PANELBUILDER and LOADLINE HD work together. For this demonstration, we're processing a 5-foot by 16-foot sheet of 4mm aluminum composite material, or ACM. At this size, efficiently handling and positioning the material becomes just as important as machining it. Before machining can begin, the material needs to get onto the table. That's where LOADLINE HD comes in. Designed to work alongside the PANELBUILDER, LOADLINE HD automates the handling and loading of large sheet materials onto the machine. LOADLINE HD uses a depth control sensor to detect the remaining sheets on the skid, controlling its approach speed for precise and reliable material pickup. It aligns the material both angularly and positionally against the pop-up pins. With a lifting capacity of up to 500 pounds, the system can handle a wide range of materials, including ACM, HPL, aluminum plate, fiber cement, closed cell foam, melamine, plastics, and other non-porous materials. Using its automated material handling system, LOADLINE HD lifts, moves, and positions large sheets onto the PANELBUILDER, reducing the need for operators to manually handle heavy or cumbersome material. A smart sensor confirms the material is securely suctioned before LOADLINE HD begins lifting. Once the sheet is loaded and positioned, the PANELBUILDER takes over. Using programmed toolpaths, the machine processes the ACM, creating the profiles and routed features required for the finished panel. Because the process is CNC controlled, features can be machined accurately and consistently across the entire 5-foot by 16-foot working area. And for production environments processing multiple panels, that repeatability becomes especially important. The result is a clean, accurately machined finished panel, with consistent routed features and geometry throughout the part. But the real advantage becomes clear when we look at the complete process. LOADLINE HD automates the movement of large and heavy sheet material onto the machine, while the PANELBUILDER automates the machining that follows. Together, they reduce manual material handling, minimize operator intervention, and create a more streamlined workflow from raw sheet to finished component. The AXYZ PANELBUILDER and LOADLINE HD, automated material handling, precision panel processing, one integrated workflow.